According to the World Health Organization, by 2030, 1 in 6 people will be aged 60 or above. And by 2050, this percentage will be 1 out of 4 people. Today, life expectancy at birth is 73.3 years old, and by 2054 is going to raise to 77.4 years. And this, together with the drop in birth rate, is contributing to the phenomenon of aging population that we are seeing.
Drivers older than 65 get priced out of the motor insurance market over the next few decades. The number of drivers older than 65 in the UK is set to massively increase.
The mission of Foundry is to create a future where humans and AI work together to solve the world's most important problems. One of the things that we have to focus on is not just understanding how lives are getting longer, but how to increase the quality of life as those lives get longer. And for a lot of people, this has to do with mobility and their freedom of movement.
When we talk about mobility, there is a challenge in making policies that are, on one side, preserving the mobility and independence of the elderly, and on the other side, keeping the road safe for all. Older drivers have a higher chance to get involved into an accident than a younger driver. With age, there are physical and cognitive challenges that arise, and when looking at the driving data that we can collect, we can see some of the driving behavior that the driver exhibited that could be correlated with their age. We have put together a system that can be used by the insurers to understand the risk of a specific driver, but also to inform the driver about their behavior and the risk that they are incurring into when driving.
One of the ways in which our technology helps reduce biases is by making insurance people aware that maybe some old drivers are actually insurable. The first component of our solution is the suite of environmental risk models. So this refers to quantifying risk for any particular location. The second component of our solution is a more tailored model that actually looks at the history of driving data of different drivers. Our solution makes use of artificial intelligence and machine learning models. So really what this is doing is it's identifying patterns that exist in data. AI solutions, they aren't perfect, they make mistakes, and that's really important. Really what AI is trying to do here is to be a companion to the driver, an assistant that surfaces the dangerous patterns that they face whilst driving and making sure that they avoid having an accident.
Within the programme, we support the development and deployment of digital technology across professional and financial services. We're supporting Foundry in their project helping older drivers access motor insurance to make sure that they're not discriminated against. This is an aspect of the programme that we're particularly interested in, helping underserved individuals to access the services that they need.
The Innovate Next Generation program has allowed us to work on this important project sooner than what we planned. And even if we found that the market is not ready for a new insurance product today, there is now a plan to deploy this in the future and to go back to this project when the time is ready. But importantly, the technology we have developed in the back end has also been used in some form or another with other projects today, so that has been for us a very positive outcome.